Derek with Eliminex. We're in Plainsboro. This took me about, we set these traps out right before Thanksgiving. It's been 5 days. I finally got one. Oh, you're dirty. So we've got this one rescued right after the snow. I caught a cat and a possum, and then I had to take one of these open traps. We had an open trap. And look, he actually took the food out first. He took the food out first, and I guess went in there. He's very hungry. So I'm going to put him back in the container. So he's nice and toasty. And I'm going to warm him up and transport him, take him to his nice, safe spot. No release spot. I don't see any footprints on the deck. Let's see what's going on.